You're watching Batesi TV.
After news spread that Sonam Raghuvanshi and her four friends, Raj Kushwaha, Akash Rajput, Vishal Chauhan, and Anand Kurmi, were getting special food in jail, the media asked the Superintendent of Police of East Khasi Hills District, Mr. Vivek's aim, whether it was true that they were given good food in prison. Mr. Vivek's aim has clarified that they were served the usual food like everyone else, which includes rice, lentils, and vegetables, and no special items were added.
Whole day there's interrogation हो रहा है और lot of questions are being asked and all that. That is police custody is she's not just languishing out there, but a lot of interrogation is going on. A lot of finding out about more facts into as we ask questions, as we dig into it, we get more facts and all that, and we get the complete picture. That is the whole purpose of actually asking for police custody.
सर खाना में क्या क्या दिया जाता है?
सिंपल फूड, दाल सब्जी, राइस.